Hello guys, what's up? It's me, Jeff, from Jeff's Gaming. If you're new, first off, subscribe, like the videos because if you see my new community post, it's not too good. So, but I'm taking care of it. Yeah. So you don't have to worry about that. But today we were playing some Block City Wars. We haven't. I don't remember the last time we've done Block City Wars video. Actually, I was gonna do one like 2 weeks ago, but I was busy and I didn't know that I wouldn't be busy. So I'm gonna do it right now. So yeah, but we got our chest first. But we need the wooden and then we need the golden. And also fantastically, as you can see, some new weapons. I got this mask from a chest. It was the chest. So we got some pro quests. I made this Fred on a game, a free fight. I got P90'd AK-47. I got a new Caltex gun. I got bat. I got a knife. I bought the sniper bear and I bought toxic flame. And I have this gun, the light minigun. But yeah, and I got some new skins. But today we're gonna be using. I think we're gonna go with the one we have. So we're gonna go with Dylan. He's my favorite skin. Then we have some firefighter boots, some armor, which is pretty cool. Got the mask, the panda mask, and the bat. I look like someone from the Purge. I look pro, so let's get the wooden first. And we're gonna save the best for last. Come on, get something good. It's always the grenades. We're gonna need the free fight game today. Or whatever game we're gonna play. Okay, can we get the crossbow? Oh no. I really want to Okay. I wasted a lot of my money on different guns. So this needs to help. Let's see if we can go in this. Nope. Usually, the times I remember I had a tablet and stuff, me and my brother were just playing. I didn't have a channel. Everyone used to be in skyscrapers and all the time. It was just so fun. I wish that happened again. Guards and prisoners, no one's in here as much. Team shooters, some people like a little bit. But Battle Royale, I haven't played yet because I attempted to go in it and it didn't, not many people joined. So that's why. But today, we're going to be going in free fight. We're going to see if we're going to make a long video today. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay. Oh my gosh, there he is. There's somebody right there. Please don't see me. Oh gosh, oh no. There he is. Dang it. I lost some stars. Wow, I gained some stars in the game one time. So you can Got him back. So he's gonna run over people and, try not to get hit. That's our goal. Please don't kill me with this freaking rocket launcher. Wow. That's crazy. They should create cars with rocket launcher proof cars. Like cars that you can't get destroyed by a rocket launcher easily. So I'm gonna keep following it. Food or food. I don't know what to deal with food so badly. Oh, dang! Somebody could have took my. Oh yeah, he already took the kill. We gotta be pro at this game, But there's some newbies. Like that's what they call them in Block City Wars. Like, but it's cool. But I can help him out. If you guys want me to teach you how to play this game, it's pretty easy. Dang, shoot, he's right there. I hate the guys with the rocket launchers and the jetpacks. They use the same thing and it's really annoying. Dang it, I lost some stars. Wow. Every time you die, you lose 5 stars. Wow. I'm gonna see if I can gain some more stars. Because I'm trying to get pro like again. That was the best times when I was in that league. Wow. Just wow. Get him back. Get him. Oh shoot, he sees me. Oh no, please stop. Hit the bird, hit the bird, hit the bird. Dang it. Man, what's the deal with these guys? Oh. You know, if you destroy one of these things, you actually can grind stars. And that's why everybody always destroys them before I can. So I'm gonna save up to buy a robot. Because I wanna get to grind some stars. I gotta destroy the robot. I think it takes like a little bit long, but let's follow to him. Please don't notice that we're here. Please don't, please don't. He's somewhere. Oh no. They always have the same freaking gun. It's really annoying. Crap, somebody's already there. How in the entire world did that just happen? Wow, bro. How is he doing that? Like, he's obviously using hacks on us. Barrett? Oh, I've seen this. Oh, I played a game with this man. Got him. Please have. There's no. They just want to kill for the jetpack. That's all they want. Just a jet. I wish you didn't get to have to lose stars. I wish you could just earn stars. And if you die, you don't have to lose stars either. But like, dang it. Come on. I need to step up my game with this P90 and see what this thing does. I like how he's holding it. It's pretty cool. I know. Oh gosh. Oh no. Go. Run. Ooh, we got 51? Who got 51? Me? Looks like I'm lucky. Look at the yeah, these come in handy. I'm just gonna make a trap all the way down to the stairs. All the way down the stairs. I'm just gonna trap. So now, basically, you can't get in. Man. Oh my gosh. I hate when they literally do the same thing every single time and use it, you know. But I'm trying to grind some stars, so, you know, let's kill this thing. No, I'm not done. How do you freaking kill this man? Wow, guys. Gotta get in the car at least. Elite monkey. Okay, this guy is actually pretty much elite. This is why I need to buy the freaking rocket launcher. Great. When you have like 2 kills. And I'm in 3rd? Yeah. See, this is why I don't be playing with these guys who have freaking rocket launchers and all that stupid stuff. Like, they use the same thing. It's real annoying, guys. Gosh! Are you gonna keep using the same thing? Or, you know, I gotta sacrifice myself for this thing. Here, he grinded some stars. Man, I wish I had a robot. Dang, I need some money. Oh my. Get away, bro. Get away. Stop. You know what? Gotta get out the car and kill these people. I wish they had. I thought this was one that's only in single missions. This is 2-shot and free fire though. The sniper Barrett. No, I know his trick. I'm not doing anything. Let me go get a jetpack real quick. Oh my gosh. Man. I know I'm usually good at PUBG and stuff, but this is kind of way harder than I expected. Kill him. How in the world? How? Like, you're just doing that. You're just spamming shots. Let me grind this stupid little robot. I'm gonna grind this thing. And kill him. Grind the freaking robot. Did I just grind stars? Oh, I just killed him. Oh. Okay, that actually... Oh, gosh. What do you want, buddy? Get Get out of here. Jetpack, jetpack. Go, 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 go. Freaking run, freaking run, freaking run. Now I'm in the jetpack league, boys. Shoot the bird. Kill this man. So if he notices, I'm dead meat. Oh gosh. Shoot him, hit him. Hit him with this guy. Oh, hit the bird. Or double kill. Headshot at him. Yes, yes, hit the bird. Jetpacks is the best thing. Everybody uses this in free fight, you know. Dang it. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh gosh, no, I gotta run away from this man. I almost killed myself in this game. How do they do that? How do I shoot out the sky? There's no way that's gonna happen. Now I'm far away from. I wish there was such infinite jetpack fuel, you know. But how do you take it off? Well, I can't wait for that Pixel Gun 3D update, but it's in development. It's coming soon. And soon means like a long time, so I don't know what they mean by soon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. I know my channel is Jefferson Gaming, but and I usually post those AHW like my wrestling videos, but you know I'm gonna post more gaming videos. So, oh my gosh, not that sign. Oh my god, you see that? Be happy. I'm tired of that song. Oh gosh. Shoot. Man, I almost lost the jetpack. I don't want to lose it. Please don't lose it. Why is everybody I'm gonna buy the rocket launcher. I swear. I'm gonna buy it. It's either that or the grenade launcher. Let's get in the car. Jump down. Please don't freaking kill me. What? How did that even happen? Like, how? How? There's no way. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No. Hopefully I can collab with Misty Ninja, but I need to step up my game with my leagues and stuff, you know? I swear if somebody uses the freaking rocket launcher, I'm gonna get mad. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Me personally, I would never take the level of disrespect. Everyone says that. I'm gonna start doing more skits, you know, since I moved on from the series Agent Dad, you know, it's the same old series. I don't like it anymore, you know. I never hated it. I kind of did for a while, a little bit, you know. I know I just said I never hated it, but you know, I'm lying. I don't really, you know. Dang it, man. We need a tanker or something, but why am I leader? Do I really have to start? I don't want to start beef in the chat, just like last time with the thunderstorm guy, because he called somebody the P word, but you know, taken care of. Because you have the most, yes! Because I'm about to run you over. If I was leader, and if I was doing a video, I would totally say that. But for now, oh my gosh. But Barrett, they need to get fast. I'm gonna save it for the thunder, the rocket launcher, and the lightsaber. I need all three of those so I can get to Misty Ninja's like, dang it, I died. Lead thing, you know how he's good at it. Alright, we gotta get one more kill and then we're gonna leave. Shoot. Get in the freaking car. Can I get a kill? Please. Shoot him out the sky, I dare you. Yes, sir. Hit the bird. Alright, let's leave the game. Alright, guys, I hope you liked that video. Block City Wars Part 3. Gameplay Part 3. I'm going to be doing more soon. I do have my Royal Rumble, which is this Saturday. I don't have my, Thursday promo and then the Saturday match. I don't have that. I do that every other week. So that's next week. And then the week after that is WrestleMania. So the week after next week is WrestleMania. So you gotta get ready for that. But Royal Rumble is gonna be good this Saturday. Subscribe for more. Peace. Love you. Bye.